kami sa Dagantayan supermarket or public market, Jollibee. We bought some food so we can bring to my family. We do lunch together, so together with my family. And then now we're going to my parents' house and we eat lunch. So I bring already, so no need to cook my parents. No need to be hassle also for them. And we're excited! Yay! Yay! Nice view here. It's like this is a shortcut. We didn't know. Much more faster here in this road than before, because we're always going to the town and a lot of bicycle, and what else do